Okay, so now we're ready for the test. Again, let's just go through all your test, check your connections. So we have the power supply connected to the Wi-Fi controller, which is then connected to the LED strip. Let's see how this all goes. We're ready for the first test here. Fantastic. Now let's see if the RF remote works. Excellent. We're in business. So pretty straightforward process there. I'm not going to do that too much because obviously don't power them on when they're coiled, but again, just to test and make sure that you got everything up and running before you go ahead and do your install. There you go. Good luck, everybody.